Good day po. Ngayon, ipe-present ko po ang report ko tungkol sa application maintenance and monitoring of Twitter or X. Ang topic na ito ay mahalaga dahil halos lahat na po sa atin ay gumagamit ng social media at isa na dito ang Twitter or X. Sa report na ito, ipapaliwanag ko kung ano ang X, bakit mahalaga ang system maintenance at monitoring, ano ang mga advantages at disadvantages nito, at ano ang ginagawa ng system kapag nagkakaroon ng problema.
Overview. As the developer of Twitter, the goal is to maintain a fast, secure, and reliable communication platform that enables users to share short messages and engage in global discussions in real time. The system must manage millions of posts per minute while ensuring data security, stability, and high availability across all devices.
Ang Twitter or X ay isang social media platform kung saan pwedeng mag-post ng short messages na tinatawag na tweets. Bukod sa text, pwede ring mag-share ng pictures, videos at links. Ginagamit ito ng mahigit 500 million users worldwide. Kaya masasabi nating isa ito sa pinakamalalaking social media platform sa mundo. Dahil dito, napakahalaga na ang system nito ay stable, fast at secure. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng application maintenance and monitoring? Ang maintenance ay ang regular na pag-aayos at pag-update ng system para maiwasan ang errors at bugs. Samantalang ang monitoring naman ay ang tuloy-tuloy na pagbabantay sa performance ng application.
Advantages. 1. Strong data security. Uses end-to-end encryption for private messages and two-factor authentication for login protection. Conducts regular security audits to detect and fix vulnerabilities promptly. 2. High-speed data processing. Employs real-time data streaming technology to instantly display tweets and updates. Utilizes cloud-based infrastructure to handle massive data traffic efficiently. 3. Continuous system optimization. Frequent software updates enhance performance, security, and user interface responsiveness. Gradual deployment of new features prevents service interruption and user inconvenience. 4. User engagement features. Integrates AI algorithms for personalized content recommendations. Provides analytics tools for brands and users to track engagement effectively.
Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin ang mga advantages ng Twitter or X. Una, account protection. Isa sa mga pinaka-importanting advantage ng X ay ang account protection. May mga security features ito tulad ng strong passwords, encryption, two-factor authentication. Dahil dito, mas napoprotektahan ng mga accounts laban sa hacking at unauthorized access. Pangalawa, high-speed processing. Kahit milyon-milyon ang tweets ang pinopost bawat segundo, mabilis pa rin itong naglo-load. Ito ay dahil gumagamit ang Twitter ng global network of servers na nakadistribute sa iba't ibang location. Kaya kahit nasaan ka man sa mundo, mabilis mong makikita ang updates. Isa pa ay ang continuous improvement. Regular na naglalabas ng system updates ang developers para ayusin ang bugs, pagandahin ang performance, gawing mas smooth ang navigation. Dahil dito, mas nagiging user-friendly ang application. Ang Twitter or X ay kilala rin sa instant connectivity. Dito, mabilis kumakalat ang balita, announcement at opinions. Ginagamit ito ng news organization, celebrities, government agencies, ordinary users. Kaya malaking tulong ito sa real-time communication.
Disadvantages. 1. Security threats. Still vulnerable to phishing attacks, fake accounts, and data breaches. Weak passwords and reused credentials can lead to unauthorized access. 2. High data load challenges. During peak events, users may experience delayed tweet loading or server congestion. Maintaining millions of simultaneous connections demands large-scale infrastructure and energy use. 3. Update and feature issues. New updates can cause app crashes or compatibility problems on older devices. Frequent changes to layout or features may confuse longtime users.
Kahit maraming advantages, hindi pa rin nawawala ang disadvantages. Una, online threats. Kahit may security, may mga fake accounts, spam at phishing attacks pa rin. May mga user na nagpapanggap at nanloloko ng iba. Pangalawa, performance delay. Kapag may high traffic events tulad ng breaking news o sports events, may time na mabagal mag-load, nag-e-error ang app, temporary downtime. Ito ay dahil sa sobrang daming sabay-sabay na users. Spread of false information. Isa rin sa malaking problema ay ang fake news at misinformation. Dahil kahit sino ay pwedeng mag-post, mahirap kontrolin ang lahat ng content. Ito ay maaaring magdulot ng maling information, panic at confusion sa users. Pangapat, data privacy issues. May mga user din na nag-aalala sa pagkolekta at paggamit ng kanilang personal data. Ginagamit ito para sa ads, recommendation at analytics. Kaya mahalaga ang transparency ng system.
Actions during system failures. 1. Real-time data backup and recovery. Automatic backups are triggered to preserve user data and minimize information loss. 2. Failover systems. Backup servers immediately replace failing servers to sustain service availability. 3. 24/7 monitoring and incident response. A dedicated technical team constantly monitors servers, identifies errors, and performs rapid recovery operations. 4. User communication and transparency. Maintenance schedules, outages, and recovery updates are announced through the official Twitter support account.
Action during system failures. Ngayon, ano naman ang ginagawa ng Twitter or X kapag nagkaproblema ang system? Una, real-time backup system. May automatic backup system ang Twitter. Ibig sabihin kahit mag-crash ang system, hindi agad nawawala ang user data. Server redundancy. Mayroon silang backup servers. Kapag nasira ang main server, agad may papalit para tuloy-tuloy ang serbisyo. Technical response team. May technical team na binubuo ng engineers at system analysts. Sila ay nagmamonitor ng 24/7, mabilis nagre-respond sa issues, nag-aayos ng system problems. User notification. Naabisuhan din ang user kung may maintenance, may system downtime, may updates. Ginagawa ito para maging transparent sa mga users.
Conclusion. Twitter's success relies on consistent system maintenance, strong security protocols, and efficient performance monitoring. Despite facing challenges from heavy user traffic and constant feature changes, its proactive upgrades and reliable recovery measures ensure a stable, secure, and engaging experience for users worldwide.
Conclusion. To conclude, ang Twitter or X ay isang malaking social media platform na ginagamit ng milyong-milyong tao araw-araw. Kahit may mga challenges tulad ng fake news, security threats at system delays, natutugunan nito sa pamamagitan ng una, proper maintenance, pangalawa, continuous monitoring, at last, regular system updates.